Hey everybody, thank you so much for joining me today. Today I have another Thrive Market order. Thrive Market is one of my favorite online markets. They have a little bit of everything. They have groceries. I love their ribeyes and their Chilean sea bass, but this time I just got some random items. So let's check it out and see what's inside. Here is your first look at my Thrive Market order. We're starting off with some snacks, some Thrive Market veggie sticks. These are 6 snack bags. These would be perfect to throw into a soccer bag or lunchbox. My family loves these and they are cooked in organic coconut oil. The next item is a staple in my house and I like to get it on sale from Thrive Market. This is Dr. Bronner soap. This is what I always use and I get the unscented version. I love this because it doesn't have a fragrance. It doesn't have harsh ingredients. A little goes a long way and it has so many uses. You can use it for as soap to wash your hands, to wash your face. I use it to clean makeup brushes. I even use it for dishes, but it is concentrated. A little goes a long way. So many ways to use it around your home. I love it. The last item is a new item for me. This is Great Lakes Wellness Collagen, and I'm getting older and I have not started using collagen yet. This one got some great reviews, so I thought I would try it. If you're using collagen now, leave a comment below. Let me know your favorite types. Again, I'm brand new to this. Any tips that you have will totally help me out. And stay tuned. I'll let you guys know how I like it, if it works, if I think it is worthwhile. It does say it supports 5 signs of aging, which I am. Skin, hair, nails, joints, and digestion. So and I think you can put it in your coffee. Yes, add 2 scoops to your favorite beverage or recipe. For best results, use daily. So I think I'm going to try to add this in my coffee. So stay tuned. We'll see if it works. And that was everything in this Thrive Market order. If you're interested in trying Thrive Market, I will have a coupon code in the description below. So be sure to check that out. And that's it. As always, thank you so much for watching and please subscribe.